Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be showing you a new tool. It's on the website observer.xprlday.com/visualization, and this tool is there, which is visualizing the current transactions in the node graph. So as we know, so we can see here, it's currently handling about 8 transactions per second, and as we know, every about 3.8 seconds a ledger closes. So we can see it here, that for example here, the last ledger, so the ledger just closed with about 37 transactions. The next one, 37 transactions, 28 transactions, and so on. And it takes all the currently closed ledgers and takes the transactions which were included, and each node represents an account. And the lines between two nodes represent a transaction. So there are different transaction types. As you can see, the pink ones are with click it in. For the pink ones are offer cancel. So whenever it's being drawn, you can see the color, so it's also telling you what happened here. So pink one again, offer cancel. So again, right? So just have to differentiate here between the payment, because I guess lots of them were payments actually. So it's a little bit harder to tell though. But probably also, well, we can look it up here. So there are lots of offer crates actually in there. So it's more about offer crate. But never mind. But it's basically a cool tool, just showing you how everything is connected more or less here. So all, as you can see, all the transactions that pass are all connected in a huge node structure with each other. So they are, for example, here two accounts which only are included there, but you can see here more or less that how much everything is related, more or less. So related in the sense of, for example, if everything is closed off, if there are just two accounts which are just sending each other things, or if, for example, there are big accounts which are more included in all of that. So we can also click on that node here. So apparently this one has a lot to do with the other ones here. So we click on the address here and can click on inspect on BitHome. Then we can also look it up, and yes, it's Binance. So obviously there are a lot, well, quite in the center and is very involved here. Then for example, also who is that one here? We can also check it out here again on BitHome, and again it's Binance. Yeah, so Binance always is quite involved in the entire process here. Now we can, as we can see here, we get this entire, like, yeah, this entire node structure here. So with more important nodes there, and well, obviously having more connections there and lines and small ones. But like I said, it's not in the sense important, like that there. And we've got here, what is this bit true? Yeah, right. Yeah, so that's basically, just wanted to show you the tool. We'll link the tool in the description. So for example, it's probably also an exchange up there, isn't it? It's here. It's iRipple Pay. Okay, yeah, it's a service in probably in China, which is offering their own Chinese yuan. So they have their own issued currency here. That's also pretty cool. So it's being used there as well. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. So you can see, you can see here the what happens basically also. Yeah, okay. If you click on the nodes, you can see lots of offer crates. You can see here, if you click on the nodes, you see all the transactions that happen. And like I said, it's like lots of offer crates for the Chinese yuan. Right. So that's again it for the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.